Day 2 beneath Okaloosa Island Pier brought clearer water and even more tiger sharks. The day got interesting on the pier early as a young fisherman hooked into a tiger shark on a regular rod and reel. The shark pulled him around the end of the pier right through the area where our cameras were sitting on the bottom. Eventually his line broke. He subscribed to the channel hoping we might have captured a shark underwater. We had no way of knowing which tiger it was, but what the cameras recorded made things very interesting. This tiger was in the area. We moved to the other side of the pier where the water was clear. With our GoPros facing opposite directions, one looked into the pier's shadow while the other caught the sunlit water. This shark was one of many possibilities that has a hook broke off in its mouth. Could this be the young fisherman's tiger? It may be, but with several tigers making repeated passes all the way to the end of the video, we'll never know for sure which one. This tiger has a bite to eat off the bottom. Then we notice it's dragging a fishing line with a yellow bag attached to it. This one was easier to recognize, the line, weights, and those pink beads still trailing behind it. Meeting people at the piers is half the fun. If we met you at Okaloosa Island Pier or another pier and you're watching, drop us a hello in the comments. Another shark or another pass by one we'd already seen. From these angles we couldn't be certain. We got the side-eye view from this tiger. Take a moment to check out some tiger quick facts. Finally got the ID right. Our GoPro rig landed right by the horizontal structure of the pier, which gave us some good looks at the underside of nurse sharks. No one's favorite, the jellyfish. Fish snack for a tiger. Looks like the same tiger with the hook in its mouth making another pass. Two GoPros down there on the bottom right now. Hopefully I caught him. While we'd seen several dolphin on top, we weren't sure the cameras had caught them on the bottom. This tiger has a clean line hanging from its mouth. Here's a couple more passes with the tiger with the pink beads. Is that the fisherman's tiger? Let us know in the comments what you think. Thanks for exploring the tigers beneath Okaloosa Island Pier with us. We hope you enjoyed it, and you will also join us for our next Love Florida Beach adventure.